Do you know that July is the one of the best months to start growing vegetables at home? Even if you only have a balcony or a small garden, you can enjoy fresh harvest right from your pots. Today I will show you 5 vegetables that grow really well in July and how you can grow them step by step. Welcome back to Eggplants. Hi, I am Rahul, and in this video we are going to learn about 5 vegetables you can grow in July easily. Stay with me till the end because I will share simple tips that will help you get maximum yield. Let's start with tomato. Tomato is the one of the easiest vegetable to grow in July. It love warm weather and plenty of sunlight. Take a pot about 12-inch deep, fix it with a mix of garden soil and compost, and sow the seed about half-inch deep, water gently and keep the soil moist. In about a week, you will see teeny seedling. Tomato need 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Add compost every 2 weeks and soon you have healthy plants producing cluster of red juicy fruits. Next is okra. Okra is also called ladyfingers, and okra thrive in hot weather, which make July perfect for planting. Use a deep pot or growing in direct in the ground. So the seed 1 inch deep, placed a few inches apart. Okra plant grow tall, so give them support if need. They love sunlight and regular watering. In about 6 to 8 weeks, you will start harvest tender green pods. Harvest regularly because the more you pick, the more the plant produce. Now let's talk about brinjal. Brinjal also called eggplant. Brinjal is a warm season crop and July is the great time to plant it. Use a pot at least 12 inch deep with well drained soil mix with compost. You can start with seed or sapling from a nursery. Brinjal plant need plenty of sunlight and regular watering. In about 2 months, you will see shiny purple fruit ready to harvest. Cut them with scissor or a knife. Never pull to keep the plant healthy. Fourth on the list is chili. Chili plant love heat and July weather help them grow strong. Sow the seeds in small pots or seed tray, then transplant them into larger pot. Once they are about 4 inch tall, chili plant need full sunlight and moderate watering. Add compost every 2 weeks to keep them healthy. In about 2 months, you will start seeing green chilies, and if you wait longer, they will turn red. Fresh chili from your own garden taste amazing and add spice to your meals. And finally, onion. Onion is the versatile vegetable that can grow in July. You can use small onion bulb or seeds. Plant them in well-drained soil about 1 inch deep. Onion needs sunlight and regular watering, but don't overwater. They grow slowly, but with patience you will see green shoots and later full bulb forming under the soil. You can harvest green onions early or wait for mature bulb after a few months. So there are the 5 vegetables you can grow in July: tomato, okra, brinjal, chili and onion. Each of them is easy to grow, perfect for home garden and give you fresh healthy produce right from your balcony or backyard. Try growing them yourself this July and enjoy the joy of harvesting of your own food. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Eggplants for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.